always starts off so easy, saying hi, how are you, thinking I would spend the rest of my life with you. Over again, thinking it'll never end, thinking I could really share a bed with you. But it always goes downhill after a month or two. Why does it always have to be true? Why can't I just love right? What's so wrong with me? Why is it so hard for them to love me? I can't go on thinking that you weren't the one, when I know deep in my heart, deep in my head you were. But I guess it was all just wrong. I made you a goddess in my head, thought you would fix all my problems. But I guess I was wrong, 'cause you were the one who left me.